What's up, Wagwan? It's your girl Sha. Today we're going to be doing another tutorial. We're just going to get right into it because we don't like to waste time and run up all the space in my phone. For whatever reason, it just always finishes. So we're going to start off with the primer, and you just want to get that in there. Rub it in. I'm actually going to do 2 primers today. This one is my all-time favorite. And we're also gonna do this one. You'll see why in a little bit. It's kind of a white cast. I'm gonna rub this in and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys know I don't really like to do anything basic, right? So I'm trying to do a multi-racial look here. So we're gonna start off with a dark color. I think this is the darkest shade I have. I wish I had one that was darker, but I don't. So I'm gonna try to do a couple of things to make it darker to get the, oh, that's not dark at all. Not dark at all. In fact, I think this is my exact shade. Girl. Oh, we'll see how it turns out in the end. I think I need a larger differentiation between these two. I don't really know how I'm gonna do it yet, but I'll figure it out. The next color. Oh no. Oh no. I don't know. I'm not really feeling it yet. I don't know. We gonna see. We'll see. We'll see. Oh God. It's kind of cool, right? I like it. Okay, wait, let's do it from this side. I'm over here breaking stuff. I love it. Okay guys, thank you so much for checking this video out. And again, the face chart is Sonya Miro. I'm gonna put her name in the description box so you guys can probably check her out on Instagram. I think I'm gonna do one more of her face charts because they're just really cool. And thank you again for tuning in and checking my video out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.
to do, what to do.